In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trading Activity Index in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the indicator, load it onto your chart, and start using it as part of your analysis. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The steps are the same. Once your chart is ready, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the time frame and symbol selection. Go ahead and click on Indicator. This opens up the full Indicators and Strategies menu, which is where you can search for and add pretty much any tool available in TradingView. With the Indicator menu open, you'll see different tabs and categories, such as built-ins, community scripts, and favorites. At the top of this window, there's a search bar. Click on that search bar so you can type into it. This is what we mean by clicking on top. You're simply moving your cursor to the top area of the indicator menu, where the search field is located, and activating it so it's ready to receive text. Now, type in Trading Activity Index. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the list of indicators in real time. Make sure you spell it correctly so it appears in the results. Once you see Trading Activity Index in the list, hover over it for a moment to confirm it's the one you want, then click on it. As soon as you do that, TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You should now see the Trading Activity Index displayed either in a separate panel below your price chart or overlaid, depending on how the script is designed. Take a moment to look at how it's behaving relative to price action. If you want to fine-tune it, you can open the settings by hovering over the indicator's name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. From here, you can adjust inputs, colors, and visibility to match your trading style and make it easier to read. If you're not yet using TradingView Pro and you want access to more indicators, more charts per layout, and generally a smoother experience, check out the affiliate link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you the full Pro feature set needed to follow along with tutorials like this. That's all there is to it. Open the Indicators menu, click on the search bar at the top, search for Trading Activity Index, and add it to your chart.